Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here with day number 2 of what are we calling this hashtag? Purple haze, purple something. I haven't thought of anything. Purple madness, purple haze or purple madness is going to be the hashtag for this. Something. Okay, I'm kind of in a rush today. I'm on my way to work. I let the time get the best of me, so I literally have an hour to get ready. And that might be a lot, but y'all know me, my color looks and everything usually take me about 2 hours. So I don't know how we're gonna do this. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but I definitely want to take advantage and play with the JUVIAS palette. This palette is so beautiful. And where do y'all see these purple shades? That's what like made me want to buy this palette, was the purple shades. And then I looked at the rest. I was like, okay, this is cute. I like how it's like metallic matte, like I'm here for it. So we're doing a purple look. I did have plans to do a cut crease look using this palette, but it don't look like it's gonna go that way. So I think I'm just gonna go for a kind of like a smoky purple eye. So that would be kind of fast. So yeah, I'm hoping, cross my finger, I can make this work. So we're gonna zoom in. So we are super zoomed. I have my base and everything on. Highlight is already on. So now we're gonna go into the palette. I kind of want to add some pink to this look, but I feel like I want to keep it purple because the pink look that I had in mind to collaborate with the other colors, I got to definitely come back probably this week and do a look. So I'm going to save that one. So we're going to start off with probably like the same routine I did yesterday. Yes, I'm repeating. repeat. I'm going to go in with, I'm not even going to try to pronounce some of these words. So I'm going to try this matte blue. It's the deepest. Oh, I keep saying blue. Oh my gosh. I'm going to try this matte purple. It's the deepest purple in the palette. I'm just going to take that color and pop it right. Oh my gosh. That's deep. That is a deep. Oh yeah, that's deep. Okay. I'm going to take this color. I'm just going to place it right in my crease. And then I'm going to buff it out with another color. All right, and now to blend out that purple, I'm gonna take the next matte purple in the palette, which is this color right here. All right, and then I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna go over that dark purple. And I'm pretty much gonna try my best to take my time and blend the two colors together because I don't want to have that harsh line, because right now, this is a harsh line and it looks a hot mess. So with the second color, just wanna reassure that it's nicely blended between your main crease color and of course your brow bone highlight color. Look at that. Girl, see, take your time when it comes to blending. Even when you rushing to go to work, you gotta blend, baby. That's the whole key of making any eye look work. I don't care what shade of eyeshadows you use, especially color. You gotta make sure you take your time and have the perfect gradient effect when it comes to your crease, because that's the important part, is blending. So I'm gonna continue doing this off camera, and I don't have time to do a cut crease look today, so we're gonna keep it simple. So yay for those who don't like non-cut crease look, but I'm sad because I really wanted to do a cut crease look, but I just don't have the time frame to do it for today. It's not gonna work. So I'm going to continue blending and I'll be right back. It's coming out so far. This is looking amazing. So these metallic eyeshadows that's in this palette, finger swatch, they're okay, but I know they're going to be a lot more vibrant and better if I use like some kind of like setting spray on my brush. So that's what I'm going to do. And the color I'm leaning towards, it's a tie between this color or this color. Like, I don't know which one I want to play with. This one has a blue undertone to it. I don't know if y'all can see it. This one definitely has a blue undertone. Oh my gosh, which one do you want to use? This is kind of like light purple today. I don't have to do matchy when it comes to my makeup. Like, I'm just being extra as hell right now. But I think this other shade looks more pink. I'm going to stick to the color I said I wanted, which is that middle purple metallic color. So let's do it. Don't second guess it. So I'm gonna wet my brush with some setting mist. I'm gonna pick up this beautiful purple shade. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need this brush to pick this eyeshadow up a little bit better because this is pretty. It is. This is cute. I ain't gonna lie, it is a little tricky picking up this eyeshadow on the brush. You'll probably apply it better with the finger. That's one thing about JUVIAS metallic eyeshadows. Like sometimes they're better applied with your finger than it is with the brush, or vice versa. So it's applying okay with the brush, but my fingernails are so long. I don't think it's gonna gravitate towards that. Oh, okay. I think I can see the difference. That did work a little. My nails are in the way though, so this is not a nail palette. You got longer nails than mine. This is not going to work. But I do feel like I got better application with my finger though. This is so pretty. Okay. Before I end this video, I'm reminding myself that I need to give you guys face detail. Because I've been trying out different face routine, different primers, different moisturizer, different, well, not really foundations. I've been sticking to my favorite Urban Decay, but I just been sticking to trying different things because I get like hooked on one thing, and then for some reason I get so hooked to the point when it runs out. Somehow the brand always want to discontinue, so I'm trying to find my love for other things. But I don't know. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about this. I use a different concealer. I'm not too thrilled about this one though. So while I'm talking about it, let me just tell y'all what I did today, because I always forget to list the info box. So this is the Always Original, my e.l.f. moisturizer. I always use that. This is my second time using the e.l.f. Poreless liquid face primer, and the reason why I say liquid because they have a poreless putty one. So this is the liquid one. I like this primer. It's a little bit on the oily side, just a little bit. Like I'm like, woo, a little too oily. And then I use my other favorite primer by PURLISSE. This is the Silk Glow BB Base Primer. This is what I always use for my favorite face routine, is this primer on top of my BH primer. And you already know that one's been discontinued, so I'm a little sad about that. But concealer, I use this brand called Item. I used to like this, but it's very streaky, so I don't know if it was not agreeing with the foundation. So I'm like, my foundation, this is my baby. Like, so concealer, I need you to get together. So I didn't like how that shade was looking. It wasn't giving me the correct highlight. So I went in with another e.l.f. concealer. This is a new one. This is from my client's kit. So this one's in the shade Deep Olive. So this is not my usual shade, but I'm out of my original shade. So we had to make things work today. So now for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with that purple. I think I'm gonna go in with the light purple because it's so dark at the top. I don't wanna make my eyes too dark. So I'm gonna go in with that purple that I have blended out in my crease. I know Juvia had those dual chromes, but the two shades that I did get are not gonna go with this color. Now I'm kind of wishing I got that, like, it's like a white one. I wish I would have got it because I could have popped it, but it is what it is. I'm gonna use a different chrome liquid eyeshadow. This one is by Cara Beauty. And this is a really pretty purple shade, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna pop this right in my inner, and this is gonna complement the lid color. So I'm actually going to use a different form of brush to make sure that I apply it correctly. Because once this bad boy is on, y'all, it is on. Like, it don't go nowhere. That's cute. Okay, let me pop some lashes on. I'll be right back. All right, I got some new hoopies, doopies. Y'all probably can't tell different. They probably like my regular hoop earrings, but they're new and they're super flashy in person. Like, they're so cute. Amazon, okay? Per usual, but okay, quick. We're gonna do a nude pink lip per usual. Come on now. Oh, and on my face, I have on Juvia. I had this on for a highlighter, and then I have this on for my blush color. Contour, of course, no other than Juvia. Look at that. My cheeks are very bold today, okay? Very bold, because my eyes is bold. But anywho, lips. I'm gonna use my, no, that pencil was too dark of a brown. Sorry, I'm over here trying to have my little pencil selection. I'm trying to make it easier so I won't misplace a lot of my pencils, but somehow I forget to put them on here. And yeah, so yeah, my convenient lip pencil tray. And I got that off of Amazon like a few years back and never used it, and started taking advantage of it now to get a little bit more organized so I can show you guys my beauty room one of these months. And I say months because I feel like it's going to take like a couple months to get this room organized and clean how I want it to be. So anywho, moving on to the lips. I'm lining my lips kind of crazy today. I'm definitely going to clean my lips up after I get done. But on my lips, I just put on the NYX Loud pencil. And I could have sworn I had a pink Juvia pink lipstick, but I can't seem to find it. Hold on, let me look one more time. The bad habit of buying like the same nude shades. Can y'all tell the slight difference of these colors? Be honest. I mean, it's like a tad bit difference. And these are the only Juvia lipsticks that I own. So this one has a little bit of a pink undertone. This one has more of a peachy orange undertone. So I'm definitely going for the pinky nude color. And this one is called 2020. It's really pretty nude, but being that I'm going to work, my lips do get dry like really fast, so I need some hydration on my lips. So I'm going in with the lip plumper. Oh my gosh, I don't know what is going on with this one. I gotta figure it out because it's not busted, and I keep re-cleaning this, and whatever way I position this lip gloss, it just leaks everywhere, and I don't know what's going on. So it must be a hole in here that I'm not aware of, but it's so nerve-wracking. I'm just opening this up every time, but it's such a pretty lip color. I was about to put a little extra nude. I'm gonna leave it like this because I feel like I do like the same lip combo just with different lip products. So I'm gonna leave it like this, but I'm tempted to make it a lot more nude, but I'm not gonna do that. So let's fix this hair really quick, brush her out and get her all presentable looking. All right, so this is look number 2 for what are we calling this? Purple Haze Week. It's just, we're gonna keep it a purple haze, okay? Purple haze. I don't know if that's a drug or not, but it's just, it's in my head, and we're gonna leave it like that. So Purple Haze Week. This is look number 2, and I love it. I was scared that I was gonna repeat my look, especially being that I was using like the same brand of eyeshadows. Although it was a different palette, but I just thought I was gonna repeat. So that's why I was like, that's another reason why I could not do a cut crease look, because I feel like it would have been very similar to yesterday's look. But this inner pop is cute. It's cute. I love me a popper, okay? I love me a inner popper color, okay? So everything is looking swell, looking put together, honey. Get into this look. Yes, and we did this in the time frame. I have 10 minutes to spare to be out of this house, to be at work on time. So I did really good. This was an easy put together look for me. I know it may not be easy for those who are not used to doing makeup looks like this, but whew, it was kind of a struggle to do it in a speedy time, but I did it and I love the results. I don't think there's anything that I will actually change. I'm pretty sure I'll probably do a cut crease, but it's still cute without the cut. Okay, so I hope you guys like this, because I know a lot of you guys like my non-cut crease because it's easier to follow, and I understand that. So yeah, I hope you guys give this look a try, because it's a nice beautiful smoky eye, and then the face is just together. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look, and don't forget to come back tomorrow because we have 5 more looks to do, right? Can I do math? Yeah, 5 more looks to do. And yeah, don't get tired of seeing your girl's face. We got some more purple inspired outfits. I don't know necessarily if all my makeup looks are going to be purple inspired like I did for yellow theme, but just make sure you guys come back. I don't know, we'll see how I'm feeling, and I hope you guys enjoy this whole week. Okay, we're gonna speak that in advance. I hope you guys are going to enjoy the rest of the looks, okay, because I'm here for it. I love purple, and it's just this is such an excited color on my complexion. I just love it on me. So if y'all got a special purple palette y'all want me to use, definitely let me know down in the comment section. I think I want to do my purple ranking palette. Ooh, I think I'm gonna do that sometime today, probably when I get back from work. But your girl gotta go. I hope you guys try it out. Enough of the rambling, but you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.